empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just a
Good afternoon. It's around 2 p.m. guys. Yeah, I've just arrived in this home from work. So guys, I'm just going around my kitchen garden, my backyard compound, to see how the going is. I want to actually confirm if my nanny did what I instructed her to do. So that is my kitchen garden. You guys, have just planted onions, but they are just small. Yeah, and then I'm planning to plant skuma. And guys, I was boiling maize, this piece, that is minchi, and ndengu, that is green grams. You guys, I want to batch cook for 1 week, guys. Yeah, so you can see my afternoon is very busy. Yeah, because I left the work early, I still have time from 2 p.m. to 4. I'll be through batch cooking our weekly freezer meals. Yeah, so I'm starting with boiling the mains for githeri, and then minji, that is peas, and then ndengu, green grams. Yes guys, yeah, I'm not just going to boil, I'm just going to boil the 5 days freezer meals. And then I want to boil beans using the pressure cooker, guys. You can see the electric cooker is busy, and now I just want to boil the beans using electric cooker because it will take only 50 minutes and then the beans will be ready, you guys. Here, so that is how I'm spending my afternoon with you guys. So hope you are going to enjoy. If you are new in this channel, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of 3. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber based in Nairobi. I does content basically my home. So today is all about batch cooking, our weekly freezer meals. So stay tuned and see what I'm batch cooking, guys. Here, so I'm starting with already rolled the chapatis over there. So I'm starting with cooking the chapati as the other food is boiling there, guys. So just see what I did. Hope you are going to get motivated by these freezer meals. Hope you are going to share me out. You are going to like the video. You are going to get inspired. You are going to love the batch cooking recipes in this home. So let's get started by cooking the chapati. No more talking, just see what I did.
just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, pain.
guys, I'm done with the chapatis, and I'd already made carrots, onions, green peppers, garlic and ginger, and then a plate of tomatoes and green peppers. You guys, I had made them off camera, yeah, so that my cooking can be easy. I'm done with cooking chapatis. So in that plate there, I'm going to add onions over there, guys. Yeah, so my nanny, I'm doing this batch cooking because I noticed that my nanny doesn't know to cook what we love in this house. So I decided to do our weekly freezer meals, those foods that she don't know how to cook, before I teach her how to cook, because I'm busy, guys, so I doesn't have time to go and teach her how to cook. But when I get time, I'm going to just make her I teach her how to cook. I will teach her how my recipes, the spices we heat, how we love it cooked. Yeah, so learning is just a process. She cannot even get understand everything in 1 minute, so it will take time. But meanwhile, because I was going to be busy for 1 week, I decided to batch cook our weekly freezer meals, guys. Yeah, so the green grams are ready, the mains are for githeri are ready, and the peas are ready, guys. So in that pan, I'm starting with frying green grams. Yeah, so no more talking, just see what I did.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to
So guys, there in that electric cooker, the white pot, I'm going to cook githeri, and for githeri we are going to mix it with potatoes, and the other sufuria there, I'm going to to cook potatoes with minchi, the piece over there. Yes guys, so I've decided to cook like stews, yeah, for just yeah, she will be just boiling like rice, spaghetti, chapati, and then she's going to share with the zile mboga zenye napika niweke kwa fridge. So guys, so this is our freezer meals for today. So hope you are getting motivated. So hope I'm motivating someone who is very busy, a working mom who usually leave at a job at late. So this is a good menu for you. This is a good meal plan for you as well. So yeah, so this is what I'm doing today. So I'm preparing our freezer meals for 5 days, as I've said. So because I'm going to be busy for 1 week, guys. So just want my kid and the nanny to just have the best meals when they are here, and I make my nanny's work easier, not always to work hard. Yeah, sometimes she has to just relax and remember there's food in the freezer meals, and then she will tackle the other jobs easily with the motivation, because I've already nimempunguzia kazi ya kupika. So yeah, so she's going to have ample time. Yeah, so for that pot I'm mixing beans, potatoes and beans. That is our githeri, you guys. I'm a githeri lover. If this my favorite food in this country, in Kenya, is githeri, you guys. Yeah, so as you know, I'm brought up in Cumberland, and Cumberland, our staple food is githeri. So I love githeri so much. Yeah, so as much as I love cooking chapatis, pilau, yeah, I'm brought up in a Swahili culture, but my favorite food is githeri, you guys. So yeah, on the other side I'm mixing peas with potatoes, you guys. I love that peas and potatoes for the white rice here. So today no meat. I didn't get meat, you guys. I didn't have money to buy meat, so I just went with my pocket friendly money. Yeah, so we are still doing budgeting in this house. Yeah, this freezer meals, they usually make you budget your money and not spend a lot. So the food is ready. You can see the the pot of githeri is ready. The green grams are ready over there, and then the peas and the potatoes are ready as well, and then the chapatis are there, you guys. I'm not going to freeze the chapatis. The chapatis are what we are going to have for our dinner today, guys. Here, so that is how our freezer meals turned out. Very yummy, very delicious, and yeah, a lot. That is a lot of food. It is going to take us for the whole week, guys. Hope you have motivated. So I'm going to pack them and put them in the freezer. That is how I'm packing them. Those are my packages for my freezer meals. So hope you get motivated. Hope you have enjoyed. Hope you like this video. Give it a like, you guys, and leave a positive comment. Tell me what you think about the idea of batch cooking. Yeah, for me it's going to save my time, and everything will be easy in my house. So I've enjoyed even cooking the freezer meals, guys. So welcome. If you are new, subscribe, hit the notification button, and then share me out. Till the next video, bye lovelies. Enjoy and share me out. Till the next one, bye.